Hi everybody, Dan here again at My CRM Manager. We specialize in integrated CRM systems. So CRM systems that communicate bidirectionally with Sage 100, 300, X3, or Intact. My message today isn't really about the integration, more of a CRM best practice. As a CRM project manager, I'm often looking at very unrealistic opportunity pipelines. And by that, I mean there's opportunities still in the user's pipeline that are never going to happen. They were created a long time ago, and for whatever reason, the sales user just refuses to clear them out. And that's just the way it goes. We can't cane them into submission. That's not appropriate. But what we can do is often set up automations that will automatically time out an opportunity if a certain threshold of time has passed. And here's an example of that. You can see from the red bar, it's 22 days until this opportunity automatically times out. Now, obviously, we don't have to do that. We can revive them or adjust it because sometimes opportunities do come back. But the premise is I want a very clean and realistic pipeline. I do not want a bunch of accumulated dead wood. In this particular system, it's 60 days from the moment the quote has been submitted. So in this case, I create my quotes from CRM. A lot of our systems, they do. So the moment I say quote's been submitted, the timer starts ticking. And of course, we provide dashboards that support that so the user can see, oh, these are the following quotes and they're going to expire. So this is, I think, a very helpful way of keeping a clean pipeline. Hope this helped you.